unboxing and review of the iPad mini smart case. As you can see, with most Apple products again, the case comes in a very minimalist packaging on the back, just showing you the different shapes and features that the case performs. So to see the case, you've got to put that through there. As you can see, the colour of the case is very nice. I like the build quality of the case. It's a leather case. Inside it's made of like a soft suede, so I feel it will protect the iPad well, stop it from scratches, etc. Obviously it has laser cut holes for the camera, microphone, audio. The buttons are not cut out, they've been formed, and there is a cutout for the switch. Also at the bottom there is a cutout for speakers and for the charging port. Thank you for watching our review today of the Apple iPad Smart Case.